Before we get started, I'd like to say that this is a collaboration with Anagha. We made a video on her channel of testing out viral TikTok recipes, so make sure to go and watch that after this one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to both of us, and let's get right into cleaning.
And my name is Anagha and I make lots of lifestyle and baking videos. I'm so happy I get to collab with Elizabeth because she's the sweetest, we have a lot of common interest and I just love her videos. So I can't wait for you to watch both of our videos. On my channel I did testing viral TikTok recipes and she made a few recipes too, so make sure you watch that video to see what she made. Also, I already know her video is going to be great. Make sure to subscribe to both of our channels, and without further ado, let's get started.
My school space was kind of messy since I've been so busy these past few weeks, so I decided to clean that one up. And then I also decided to glam up my tape and glue with just a little bit of paper. I kind of DIY'd this off of Pinterest. I know it's not very good, but props to me for trying since I'm not very crafty. Then I just cleaned up the station where I DIY'd everything, and I was pretty much done with my school area. I also organized my jewelry box. Finally, I just color-coded some of the headbands in my room, and I was all finished with my organization. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed this collaboration with Anagha. It was so much fun. Don't forget to watch the video that we made on her channel after this one. And I'll see you guys next weekend. Bye bye!